Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video today. Okay, so we are going to be continuing off where we started last time with this Lego build. So I have to find the parts. Oh wait, okay. Alright, well anyways, let's get started. So let's begin. So first I have to do that. I'm gonna move the microphone there. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna plug in headphones so I can monitor the sound and see if it's loud or not. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so, okay, so I need that. That goes there. That goes there. Oh wow, they're actually in somehow. Okay, so I need that. Oh my gosh, where did it go? What the? Some black pieces got in here? Okay, I don't know how that happened. Ugh. Seriously, where did that go? There, okay, there it is. Near the mic back a bit. Next page. Sorry, oops. Okay, I got the pieces back, I think. Yep, it looks like I got them. Okay. So now I guess I have to stick these on. Okay, no, that's not what I need. Okay, well, I actually do need that. Just not now. That's what I mean. How do I find the little one of that?
Okay, I'm gonna go get the Mongolian beef now.
Okay, I had to mute for a while. Alright, there we go. There it is. I was wondering where that went. Alright, so that goes on. That goes on too. That goes on. That. I need to turn up my brightness. Okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. I know it's bright though, I think. So last time I have my mic, I have my phone on low. Oh my, it's not charging? Where? Okay. Did it? It has to be charging now, is it? It has to be charging. Okay. There we go. So now I'm on page. So now we're on page 17. Okay, so, oh, that's loud. That goes there. Okay, so I need this. Oh wait, that's too high up. Shh. Oh, okay, that's 2. Gosh, there you go. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be hard to record. If you didn't hear that, that was my brother talking in the background. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I'm back. Okay. So now that I deal with that, it will now be quieter. Hopefully. But now I have to... Okay. So now, we are on page 18. I gotta move those. Okay. This, no. Here. No. No. Oh my gosh. No. Yes, this is what I need. I need from the second. There, oh, there we go. Got that in. Right, now I just have to find those. Alright, okay. Okay, there you go. Oh my gosh, where is that? It might be here. No. So it's not in there. Is it? Okay, I found it. Okay. Next is okay. It's probably gonna be lots of background noise from now on. You guys will just have to deal with it, I guess. Recording is gonna be perfect. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, I'm back. I'm really not gonna be able to do this without. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, there's really probably gonna be lots of background noise. Okay. Okay, well this next part is interesting. So now I have to use these. Okay. Oh my gosh. So now I have to use these clear pieces. That's great. Clearly do not want to do this. Okay. I have 2. Then where's the other 3? That's the problem. Where are the other 3? Okay, there's the third one, I mean. So, still showing, that's good. Now what do I need to do? Okay, I need to do, wait, okay, no, I'm looking at the right one. Just that there's a bit more on that one. Oh yeah, it goes up there, okay. So, I know what we're doing. Alright, I need this thing. Now I need these green pieces. 1. Oh my gosh, I miscentered it. There you go. Boom. Next one goes here. This is really, I'm gonna mute for now. Okay, I'm gonna mute for now again. So, apparently I misplaced these. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alright. So, now time to do this properly. Because I did this wrong. Alright. Need that. So let's get that. That's not right. That's... Oh, okay, never mind. I was underestimating what I needed. Okay. Alright. Hello? Wait. No. I'm pretty sure that's still heard. I'll turn it up a bit. Okay, oops. So that goes there. That goes there. It goes there. Where did the second one? Oh no, it's right here. That goes there. That goes there. And then that goes there. Alright, now we're back on track. Because I know what I did wrong. And now I know how. Now I can do this. You're joking me. I actually somehow. Nope. There we go, found it. That's right. Maybe not. No, I know it's right. I need another one actually. I don't know why I put that away. Okay. No, I don't need those now. One. Yeah, sorry, I had to mute again. Yeah, this is really gonna be a tough video to record. Since there's so many people talking and stuff. Which is fine, I guess. Just not preferred that so many people talk and interrupt stuff. Yeah. 3. Now I need that. I keep banging, hitting things. Oh no, that was previously there. Alright, now I need this. Nope, I don't need that. I need these little ones. Boom. Then boom. And then boom. And then boom. Boom. Okay, I need this. That. Oh, okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to end it here now, because I didn't realize what I didn't keep track of time. We're at, okay, well, I'm just gonna end the video now. Thank you for watching. Bye. Went a little overtime. Okay, well, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.